Imagine a motorhome that doesn't just take you on a road trip, but redefines adventure itself. Meet the future Winnebago 4x4 Revel 44E, a vehicle designed for explorers who demand both rugged off-road performance and luxurious comfort. This isn't just a camper van, it's your ticket to freedom, engineered with precision for every terrain, every journey, and every unforgettable moment. Starting with the front profile, the Winnebago 4x4 Revel 44E commands attention with a bold, futuristic design. Its white base color is complemented by graphite and expedition gray accents, giving it a sleek yet rugged appearance. Notice the aggressive off-road tires, LED headlights, and modern aerodynamic front bumper. Every detail screams readiness for adventure. The elevated chassis and reinforced structure not only enhance its off-road capability, but also project an aura of confidence on any terrain. From city streets to mountain trails, the front view reflects a perfect balance of innovation, strength, and elegance. Moving to the rear, the Winnebago Revel 44E continues its futuristic appeal. The rear design is functional and stylish, featuring sleek LED lights that illuminate with a modern touch. A rear ladder gives access to the rooftop, perfect for storage or stargazing during camping nights. The expedition gray accents and clean lines maintain consistency with the front profile, ensuring the vehicle looks cohesive from every angle. Its rear design not only adds aesthetic charm but also practicality for outdoor adventures. Every inch has been engineered to support both comfort and utility, whether you're parking a campsite or navigating off-road tracks. From the side, the Winnebago 44E reveals its full personality. The left side view showcases its long, rugged profile, tinted windows, and rooftop solar panels, blending style with efficiency. The off-road wheels hint at its capability to tackle rough terrains effortlessly, while the white, graphite, and gray palette creates a sophisticated and unified design. Every panel, every accent, and every proportion has been crafted to make this motorhome not just a vehicle, but a statement. The left side perspective emphasizes its spaciousness and readiness, allowing you to visualize where comfort meets adventure. For enthusiasts, this angle perfectly demonstrates the harmony between rugged functionality and elegant design. Stepping inside, the future Winnebago Revel 44E transforms into a luxurious and practical living space. The cockpit is modern and high-tech, with a touchscreen dashboard designed for intuitive control. Ambient LED lighting creates a warm, inviting atmosphere, while premium seating ensures comfort during long journeys. Behind the driver's area, the living space is thoughtfully arranged for convenience and relaxation. Foldable beds, ergonomic seating, and ample storage combine to make life on the road effortless. Every material, from upholstery to cabinetry, reflects attention to detail and superior craftsmanship. The interior demonstrates how this motorhome seamlessly integrates luxury, functionality, and futuristic design, making every moment inside a part of the adventure. The kitchen and cabin area are where utility meets elegance. The white and graphite finishes continue, creating a sense of cohesion with the exterior design. The compact kitchen is equipped with modern appliances, ample counter space, and storage that maximizes usability in a small footprint. Ambient lighting enhances both style and functionality, making cooking or preparing meals a pleasant experience even on the go. Every corner has been carefully considered, from durable surfaces for heavy-duty use to aesthetic touches that give the space a sophisticated feel. This area perfectly reflects Winnebago's commitment to creating a motorhome where every feature is purposeful, stylish, and ready to support an adventurous lifestyle.